Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video, I will show you how you can add multiple photos to your documents and texts in Google Docs. So make sure to keep watching and now let us get started. Alright guys, so let's assume you've been working on a document like that. For demonstration purposes, I'm going to use a job resume template like that and add a couple of photos to it here at the bottom. So what you want to do is select the space or the spot here in your document where you would like to add your photos to. Like, let me add it here to the bottom of my resume, and next click on that image icon here, insert image, and after that guys, decide whether you would like to upload your photos and images from your computer or from a device, or from Google Drive or from Google Photos. So I'm going to upload them from my computer. So let me locate them really quickly on my computer. You can select multiple photos and images by holding Shift left or left Shift on your keyboard and by selecting these images with your mouse and simply upload them. So as you can see, these photos have been added to my document. We see the first one and the second one. So that's how you upload multiple photos to your document on Docs. Now you can adjust the size and position of your photos, for instance, and add as many of them to your document as you like. So that's basically it guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.